Welcome to Kodemi Labs, where your tech future takes shape today. At Kodemi Labs, we blend cutting-edge AI-powered learning with expert-led trainings, crafting courses that transform theory into action. At Kodemi, our mission is to make knowledge accessible, engaging, and personalized, empowering every learner to achieve their full potential. Move beyond lectures, work on real-world projects guided by industry pros, and build a portfolio that speaks for itself. Learn from world-class instructors, engage in live sessions, and receive personalized career guidance. Choose from a wide range of programs from full-stack development and AI and ML to cybersecurity, blockchain, IoT, and more. Benefit from certifications, placement support, mock interviews, resume and LinkedIn coaching, all designed to help you stand out. Kodemi Labs, where curiosity meets career, your future-proof skills start here.